How to connect ChatGPT API to n8n. To do that, first head over to your n8n workflow. I have my trigger event as well as my action. Now let's add ChatGPT as a new node. Click on this plus icon, click onto the search mode, and search in here for ChatGPT. So here's OpenAI or ChatGPT. Proceed to click on this. You can choose right here the action that you want. So for example, right here, I'll head over and then choose particular options for this case. So on my case, let's head over and click on the disk classify. Now it's been connected. Click onto this select credential, click onto this create new. It will ask for the API key. So let's proceed to add that. You can head over to openai.com/API and you should be able to see this. It will actually give you an option to get API directly from ChatGPT. Here is what it takes to get those working right here. They have prompting guidance, front-end coding, and migration support. So just get the API that you have bought from this and then add that directly on your API key. Once you're done, head over and click on save in order to save the changes. Choose right here the resource, operation, text input, and the likes. Once you're done, you can proceed to execute that if you would want, and you can head back to your canvas and see it's been connected. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.